Hello and welcome. Today we will see if we can make use of this rotten orange which I kept in my bag and forgot for like a week, and it turned out like this. We'll see if we can grow it into a beautiful plant instead of just throwing it in the garbage bin and wasting it away. So let's get started. So for this I have kept it on a tissue paper and I'm gonna slice it or cut it with a sharp knife, and I'll try to see if I can get some viable seeds from it, some healthy looking seeds which are viable and can grow into a plant. So I can see some healthy seeds out there. I'll pick them out very carefully. I'm trying not to touch it a lot. So there, I'm trying to take out the seeds as much as I can, which I see and feel that they are healthy and can grow it into a plant. So here I got 4 seeds from my wasted orange, and now I'll put them into water to see if they're really viable. So for that I have taken some water, and in that I'll put my seeds. If they're viable, they will not float, they will stick to the bottom, but if they are not viable, they will start floating in water. So here, oh my god, I see I am pretty lucky. My seeds are all staying down below, none of them is floating, and this method will also wash off any slime on top of my seeds so that they don't rot when I put them. So since we all are in quarantine and lockdown, we don't have many resources. I don't have any seed starters, so I'm making use of this Tetra Pak. I'm cutting it off, and I'll be using it as my seed starter. I chose this because I feel I can make use of it, because at the bottom of this pack, if you see, there is some kind of a stand kind of a thing, so this will let the water ooze out if I make slits to the sections which are not folded upwards. So here I made some sections. Is my pot. I filled it with some cocoa peat and potting mix, so I made 2 pots like this. Now I'll place my seeds in them. So this is a regular potting mix and some cocoa peat to retain water. So I'm putting 2 seeds in one pot, or 1 seed starter DIY kind of a thing, and 1 seed in another one. I kind of lost one of my seeds while washing it, so I'm left with only 3 seeds. So let's see if they germinate. So I'm covering it up. This is a regular procedure. Whenever you're putting your seeds in, you need to cover it up with a thin layer of soil. Again, this is a thin layer of potting mix and cocoa peat on top. And for the fertilizer, I'll be using this seaweed fertilizer, which is liquid fertilizer. I'll give it a good shake, and I'll take 1 gallon of water, and in that I'll be adding like 10 to 15 ml of the seaweed fertilizer. Now I'll water my my pot thoroughly till the time I see water oozing out from the bottom. Now I'll wait and see if the water comes out, and yeah, I can see the water is coming out from my DIY seed starters. So I'm gonna place it on a partially shaded window. This is a west facing window. I'm gonna keep it there. I moved my seed starters from the west facing window after 2 weeks to a south facing window because I was not seeing any results. So this is the results after 4 weeks of planting my seeds, like putting the seeds in my soil mixture or potting mix. So after 30 days, that was the result. This is the result after 45 days. This is a slow growth, I can say, but at least it's growing, and I'm happy that at least 2 of my seeds have germinated. And this is the final result up till today, which is 50 days. And I can once I get like some true leaves, I will transfer it into a bigger pot, but right now they don't have very healthy true leaves, but at least they're growing, and I'm happy that I could make such beautiful plants out of that wasted orange. So that was the video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.